Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work. Save a backup copy immediately and then close other heavy apps to free RAM. Once done, open Excel in safe mode so add-ins don't interfere. Hold Control while launching or run Excel/safe. Make sure to note the workbook path and which macro or external link might be active. This first step isolates the environment and prevents changes from compounding, so you can test the file without risking the original document. You now diagnose the failure by reading the exact error message and code. That tells you whether it's calculation, corruption, or compatibility. Next, inspect suspect formulas using Evaluate Formula and show formulas to step through logic. Then disable COM and Excel add-ins and reopen the file to see if the error disappears. Also, make sure to review recent Windows or Office updates and any external links or data sources that might be. You finish by applying the appropriate fix. Use Open and Repair for corruption or import sheets into a new workbook to recover data. Replace or rewrite broken formulas, update external links, and re-enable add-ins one at a time to identify the culprit. Once fixed, save and verify calculations across key sheets. If problems persist, restore your backup or run Office Repair from Control Panel. Troubleshooting tip: if symptoms return, compare workbook versions to pinpoint recent changes that introduce the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.